Welcome to my channel, Testorials. Today, we are going to discuss more biology MCQs that are very important. Keep watching our videos and do not forget to like, comment and share them. Also help us by subscribing our channel. Thank you. Now let us get started. Which one of them is a micromolecule? ATP, a structure formed by groups of similar cells, organized into loose sheets or bundles performing similar functions, is called as a tissue. Hemodialysis means cleaning of blood in animals. Coordination is achieved by means of nervous system and endocrine system. Production of sweat and sebum is related with skin. Group of living organisms of the same species living in the same place at the same time is called population. The evaporative cooling in the respiratory tract of dogs is called panting. Different species of plants and animals living in the same habitat is called community. Which of the following pathogen type cause disease that can be treated with antibiotics? Bacteria. A large regional community primarily determined by climate is called biome. Most cell membranes are composed principally of protein and lipids. The concept that various organisms dominated this planet during various geological time period and thus placing organisms in a time sequence came from the studies by paleontologists. Normally, in the process of osmosis, the net flow of water molecules into or out of the cell depends upon differences in the concentration of water molecules inside and outside the cell. It is possible to date the rocks by comparing the amount of specific radioactive isotopes they contain. Which of the statement is correct in this respect? Older sediment layers have less amount of these radioactive isotopes as that of the young ones. Sodium ions are pumped from a region of lower concentration to a region of higher concentration in the nerve cells of humans. This process is an example of active transport. An unbroken series of species arranged in ancestors to descendant sequence, with each later species having evolved from one that immediately preceded it, is called phyletic lineage. Proteins are made from amino acids by the process of dehydration synthesis. Biological sciences have a set methodology and it is based on experimental inquiry. Which is an organic compound found in most cells? Glucose. A series of hypotheses supported by the results of many tests is called theory. Which are the four most abundant elements in living cells? Carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen. Which one is not correct? For a productive theory, it discourages suggestion of different hypotheses. Conclusion of Mendel's work later became a scientific law. Starch is converted into maltose by diastase. Breeders have developed new and better varieties of food items by using which technique? Genetic engineering. Coenzyme is often formed from vitamin. Messenger RNA is formed in nucleus. Astronauts may use which technique to grow fruits and vegetables? Hydroponic culture technique. Number of chromosomes in E. coli is 1. Which statement is incorrect? For pasteurization, it can be used to preserve vegetables and meat. Protein factory is ribosome. What is the mode of transmission of hepatitis virus? Parenteral, via blood. Smallest disease-causing agents in plants are viroids. Which disease can be controlled by vaccination? Measles. The major cell infected by the HIV is lymphocyte A helper T. Vaccine was first developed by Edward Jenner. Pigment present in red algae is phycoerythrin. Which disease has been totally eradicated from the world because of effective vaccination? Smallpox nutrition in fungi is absorptive heterotrophs. Which of the following statement is incorrect about antibiotics? They are derived from bacteria only. Fungi resemble plants because they lack centriole. Which treatment is instituted in a cancerous patient? Radiotherapy. Which is a parasitic plant? Cuscutter. Which statement is incorrect for cloning? It involves methods of sexual reproduction. True roots absent. In bryophytes, removal or degradation of environmental pollutants or toxic materials by living organisms is called bioremediation. The mechanism for ATP synthesis is chemiosmosis. Which of the following is not a viral disease? Tetanus. Enzyme present in the saliva is ptyalin. In human body, 99% of total mass is formed of 6 bioelements.